We are headed to California and today is packing day. We're going for 7 days. We have 5 days in Disneyland with 1 day in Universal Hollywood. I've been checking the weather and it's ranging between mid 50s to mid 70s. So I'm going with just light layers. I've got 3 blouses, all from H&M this year. I've got this white one, this eyelet white one, and then this green one. And then I've got 4 t-shirts. So I have just a plain black and a plain gray. This one is from Disneyland Paris. And then this, I think, was Uniqlo several years ago. Then I have 4 different button-down shirts that I'll use as just another layer. This striped blue, another striped blue that's just a bit brighter. I've got a plain white one, and then this black color one. So I've got this plain black sweatshirt, yellow sweater, and a cardigan. And then I have this suede jacket. And then I'll also be bringing a leather jacket. That one I'll be wearing on the plane because it's a bit bulkier. 2 pairs of leggings. I have some wide leg drawstring pants. I have a pair of black denim and a pair of blue denim. So that's everything clothing wise. Let me show you my toiletry bag. For toiletries, I have this bag. It's 2-sided. One side has my makeup and the other has toiletries. So you flip it open and it looks like this. Let me show you the toiletry side first. This is everything on the toiletry side. So I've got 2 perfume samples, a nail file, deodorant, makeup remover, Kerastase shampoo and conditioner, razor, toothbrush, and toothpaste. And then I've got Band-Aids, this little mini sunscreen, the Tatcha face cleanser, Summer Fridays jet lag mask, just a daily moisturizer. I have my disposable contacts and some eye drops. All right, that is everything on the toiletry side. And then I have the makeup side. Again, I try to keep it all pretty minimal and as small as possible. So this is a eyeshadow palette from Sephora, a Charlotte Tilbury concealer, the Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk Foundation, a Rare Beauty face primer. This is the Laura Mercier setting powder. I have a few brushes, and then up here, a setting spray, some makeup remover pads. I have the Vaseline Lip Therapy, a lip liner from Charlotte Tilbury. I have a couple of lipstick options. This is a cream blush, and then an eyeliner and waterproof mascara. So that is everything for makeup, and then again, it will just go on this side of the bag. I keep duplicates of all of my makeup and toiletries, usually in travel sizes, and I will just keep everything in this bag all the time. So I don't have to worry about packing makeup and toiletries for every trip. It's already packed and ready to go. I just grab this bag. That is everything for makeup and toiletries. On to hair stuff. I have this bag from Amazon. So it has a top section here. I keep hair products and a clip. And then this big section here has my Shark Flex Styler, and then a curling iron and one of the attachments for the Flex Styler. And then for park bags, I have a few that I'm bringing with me, just depending on how much we'll want to carry with us every day. So I have this bigger black one. And then for days that I won't need to bring an extra layer, I'll bring this Loungefly. I also have this belt bag from Base. This will be great in Universal because the hotel is literally just outside of the park. I won't bring an extra layer with me, which means I can just bring this small bag. For ears, I am bringing 3 different ones. I have these rose gold ones, these black velvet ones, and then the classic colored mini ears. For shoes, I'm just gonna stick with two. I've got these black ones and then some white ones. Right, here's everything all put together. Got most of the clothes on the left side, and then on the right I have the bags, toiletries, and hair tools. And then I'm just going to bring a personal item on the plane. I always do a backpack for this. So in here I will have all of my cords, so headphones, chargers, that type of thing. I have this lanyard for Universal. This will hold our tickets. And then I have power-up band. This is for the Super Nintendo World in Universal Hollywood. And then for Disney, I have the Magic Band. So all of that will go in just this smaller pouch here. So this slips onto your tray table on the plane. In here, I will keep headphones, a phone charger, and then any snacks that we will pick up. Also in the carry-on, I will keep our electronics. So we have our camera bag and microphone. I try to keep the personal item pretty condensed so it doesn't get too heavy carrying it around the airport. But before we go, I will pack a couple of protein bars in here, and then I'll also throw in my purse, so I just have the one bag. So that is everything I'm bringing with me. We are going to be vlogging this trip, so if you want to follow along, please subscribe down below. And thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.